Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast where America goes for funding for the last 20 years, commercial and residential lending at its finest. Call or text me at 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you if we can help you with mortgage loan funding. And today we're talking about an important topic. What is CAIVRS? Have you ever heard this word? Hey, I got a CAIVRS hit. I can't close on my home loan. And when I'm saying CAIVRS, it's CAIVRS. CAIVRS. If you're trying to get a home loan and you got stopped from your lender because you got a CAIVRS hit, I'm going to show you what it is and how to address it, how to fix it so you can actually close on your home loan. Because if you're out there and you're trying to get an FHA loan, you're trying to get a VA loan, you're trying to get a USDA loan, you're trying to get an SBA loan, your lender is running you through this background check. They're not telling you about it, but they're actually running you through this background check. All right? And it's a background check on you through the federal government. And what are they checking? They're checking to see if you've ever defaulted on any federal or government loans before. So this is student loans, SBA loans, FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans. If you've ever defaulted on any of this type of debt and your name, your social security number and your name come up on this list, you can't get another government loan until it's fixed. So if you're watching this video right now and you're stuck in this position, I'm going to show you how to get out of it and how to fix it. But this is a really, and you have to watch that towards the end. It'll be a bonus section. I'll show you how to get out of it and fix it. But the key thing is if you guys are out there, because I've been doing loans for over 20 years, and I've seen tens of thousands of people, they've had CAIVRS hits and they got denied from their lender because they have this. And you can still fix this situation here. Because remember, with our company, we're trying to figure out how to solve the problem, how to come up with solutions on how to help you to get your loan closed, okay? So a CAIVRS hit, it's not the end of the world. It's not a big deal. It means you just have to address it and get it fixed. So basically, what it means here are some of the things that we talk about it here. Government loans only. So if you're doing a conventional loan, CAIVRS doesn't matter. If you're doing a jumbo loan, CAIVRS doesn't matter. If you're doing a private loan or hard money loans, CAIVRS doesn't matter. If you're doing a government loan, they do a background check on you. It's because you defaulted on federal debt. You have to get it cleared prior to closing, okay? And I'm going to show you over the shoulder on a video at the end of how you can actually get that fixed. But that's what CAIVRS is, guys. So if you are trying to get a home loan right now and you got a CAIVRS hit and your lender denied your loan, give me a call, 832-431-6331. I can help you to get it cleared, actually help you to get pre-approved for your home loan. And if you know anyone out there that maybe they are trying to get a home loan, they got denied because they got a CAIVRS hit, forward this video to them and have them give me a call. Remember, we're a nationwide lender. For the last 20 years, we've helped tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people and billions in loans that we've closed. So we want to hear from you to be able to help you. And if you like the video, I hope you do, give me a big thumbs up in the YouTube. We need to get those thumbs up as high as we can, as many as we can, and share this with as many people as you know. And like I said, go over the shoulder with me. We're going to show you the website on how you can contact them to actually get this CAIVRS hit cleared off your name. All right, guys, thank you for going over the shoulder with me. I'm going to show you the website actually where you can go, the government website to actually clear your name on the background check for CAIVRS. Again, this is the CAIVRS shooting. If you're in the middle of trying to get a mortgage loan, whether it's commercial or residential, if it's a federal loan, and you got a CAIVRS hit, you have to come to this website right here. We can actually go over the shoulder right now. So the web address is entp.hud.gov/CAIVRS/public.home.html. And that'll be embedded in the YouTube description. And you can actually click on that link to go to this website. But this is the website that they use to run the background check on you. And if you get a hit, you'll get a number, and your lender should give you this number. So you can contact them here. And again, this is associated with anything that you're dealing with HUD, a HUD loan. And so you pull up their number here. I can give you their direct line. All right, so their phone number is 1-855-837-4391. And you can contact them directly there, and you have to give them this information. Again, a lot of times the way this works is you're going to have to get in good standing with them. So let's say you defaulted on your student loans, for example. you'd have to get into a payment plan to get your name removed off this list. If you got into a default with the SBA, if you got into default with FHA, you're going to have to most likely get into a payment plan or settle that before you can close on your home, unless it was discharged in a bankruptcy. You have to show evidence that it was discharged in a bankruptcy. But you'll contact them, that phone number, you go to that website, log in, give them a call, and let them know, hey, I'm trying to clear my name, I'm trying to close on a house. Now, after you clear your name off of the CAIVRS hit, it does take a few weeks to come off of the website. What happens is the lender will go back into the website and check to see if your name is still in there. And if it's removed, then you're good to go. You can clear to close. You can close on your home. But you can't close until, that this has been removed. And this is a lot more information. We'll make sure to include this in the video showing you this PDF of all the information about CAIVRS. So I hope this information is helpful. Again, if you're having trouble getting your home loan and you've ran into an issue with another lender, call or text us. We want to be able to help you to get funding. And this is the PDF pamphlet and the phone number you can call there. Thank you so much.